I can't afford to be afraid. I'm the leader. I take responsibility for the whole movie. If something goes wrong, it's my fault. Nobody's fault. And if something goes well, it's my team's, goodwill and their talent. And it's important to say that now because you've taken a risk, and without courage, there's no life.
Mr. Raman, is he your discovery? I know you went through 1,000 faces apparently. Is that the right statistic? Or is it just for better headlines? Is it true?
No, it's true that, not 1,000, I think around 700, 800 auditions I got from, South Asia. And then we were like, because we had the stick marks, he has to sing, he has to play, he has to be good looking, he has to be a good actor. And so we didn't get all the stick marks in the auditions. And then so we went back and said, okay, so let's invest in a person. Let's take somebody and invest. So I think he came into my, we just skipped through and boom, wait, who's this person? And then both Vishwesh and I he was looking at me, he needs to be nurtured, you need time. I said, you are a great actor yourself and you're a director who's even taking great things from kids. So you can easily shape up Ihan. And so Ihan was open, hardworking. So he came, he studied music in our conservatory for a year. We sent him to Hollywood to my friends' acting classes. So he was there for like a month. And so he did all the hard work before.
Yeah, I have to tell you, it's like the master class for you, right? I felt you were almost groomed because A.R. I'm sure he's exacting. He knew what he wanted and you were kind of molded to what he wanted. What was that like? Did you feel like you got a crash course in everything at one go under his tutelage?
Completely. Starting as a new actor in the industry, being nurtured under the guidance of Rahman sir, it's like a dream debut for me, And being in Chennai, which never felt like home away from home. He's an amazing human being, and it was his, he believed in me. So I had to work really hard to somehow make him believe that, okay, I can carry forward his dream. Why
didn't you choose an established actor though? Tell me, here is the thing. It's a leap of faith for you, right? Why did you take a leap of faith on a newcomer?
I think I was crazy. In Tamil, there's a proverb saying the calf is more fearless than the cow. I'm a new writer. So to feel, I have great director friends, but I'll be intimidated to tell anything to them because they're so good that if me saying something about directions like, just mind about your music, who are you to tell me about? So I wanted to go with people. I'm new in writing and new director, new cast. So we all felt like we were all discovering something together and bringing out a new voice.
How has coronavirus actually impacted this movie? Has it? Because it started quite a long time ago. It's taking time. It was not like a quick thing, This is no cinematic cookie. It took time to come on its own. So has that played small sport, or are you glad it's coming?
It's a blessing in disguise for us because for our movie, there are million things thrown at people. There's Instagram posts and YouTube posts and this post, that promotion, and multiple things are thrown up. So I was thinking will this movie get lost in all these attacks from things good and bad happening? And I got worried. And then we released the soundtrack, and it released. Dolby was kind enough to release it because the Dolby Atmos movie. And when Corona happened, people went quiet, they went internal, and this soundtrack actually kind of resonated with them much more than what it could have if there was a normal life. So for us, it was a blessing in disguise that they now immersed in the soundtrack and they've listened to the Tamil and Telugu versions, and they've seen this whole war which happened last year. We were seen on TV. And bring everybody down. And so I think this movie brings a breath of fresh air.
I can't believe a boy from Kashmir is now going to be on All Eyes Are On You. What a wonderful time to be around. I really hope both of you do well. I'm really hoping all good wishes and goodwill coming from my end.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.